Looking to get an RV this year? We're at the Florida RV Super Show, and we spent days combing the entire show so you don't have to.
Ian and I have picked out the 7 best RVs, and look, this isn't sponsored. It isn't based off a hype or off a price. We picked RVs that we think are going to be right for you.
So let's get into 2026 Best of Show. First up is the Timberwolf 27 MDK. This is an awesome double loft model with a big living area and 2 huge patios that come with it. Now, this living area has a sectional sofa, tons of windows here, TV, and a fan so you get great airflow. But my favorite part is going to be the slide-out door with access to this massive deck. This is one of 2 patios you get on this floor plan, 1,200-pound capacity. And again, this comes with the RV. It's easy to set up. You have stairs. The kitchen has solid surface countertops with a workstation sink and even a glass rinser, plenty of storage all the way around, nice big refrigerator, and even a wine rack for a nice touch. When we step into the bathroom, you'll see that there is a porcelain bowl, nice large vanity, and the impressive part is the shower has plenty of headroom, even with me being 6 foot tall and having a loft up top. And at its heart, this is a dual loft model. So on one side, it's perfect not only for kids, but for adults because you have an Olympic queen size bed, plus a fireplace to keep warm and tons of storage. Then on the other side, it's a little bit higher, but there's still enough space for a bed for kids or a play area, or once again, even more storage. The bedroom has an adjustable queen bed giving you a ton of walking space. You have a combo washer and dryer unit, storage all the way around, and a ton of windows with a door to the back for a second entrance, and behind the curtain, another patio.
Next up is a premium fifth wheel. This is the Eddie Bauer 3210 RL. Awesome couples coach. It features a king size bed in your suite, beautiful bathroom, and a living area that's going to make everybody want to call this home, which is actually where we're going to start right here. Now, I will preface this and tell you, my buddy Ian did a wonderful walkthrough, and there are so many features on this RV I won't be able to get to. So if you're interested in this, please check out the long form. Link will be down below. But I love the wonderful surround that we have here from the windows, from the giant shape to the fact that the valances touch all the way around. You got soft close on all of your storage doors up here. This converts into a sleeper, making the couples coach great if you're the grandparents that want to visit the grandkids. And if you got the grandkids, take a look at the entertainment that you have here. This is a pop-up LED TV. You got the fireplace. You got tons of storage options here. You even have an appliance garage with a pop-up power station. And how about a waterfall-edged, solid surface island kitchen right here in the middle with gorgeous undermounted sink, pull-down sprayer, and look at what they did to where they put your microwave. Yes, adjustable shelving, automatic lighting, microwave is hidden, and this storage shelf down here is also a step allowing you to reach up top. Got the oversized fridge, and you even have the air fryer oven underneath your 3-burner cooktop. But what about getting eating done and getting entertaining done? Got the legless dinette. You got the ottoman that also doubles as a bench seat, the decorative chairs, and for your bathroom and bedroom, this is what I loved. Couples coaches that have double vanities, in my opinion, really stand out because you usually have a double vanity in your home. I got backlit mirrors. I got gorgeous crescent moon sinks, walk-in shower, and oversized pull-out cabinet that's going to do a great job of storing all the linens or anything else that you need. And when it comes time to rest in your head at night, look at my king suite. Multicolored reading lights, washer dryer prep, mirrored ward storage up front, 2 ACs here, but it's also prepped for a third, making this coach awesome for that full-time living, depending on where you are. Speaking of, let's check out the outside before we end. Continuing some of the convenience from the inside, you got great things like the Kurt pin box up front. You got pass-through storage, heated and enclosed underbelly, awesome Asdel on the inside with that block foam insulation. Temperature rating on this one, 0 to 100 degrees, warranted for full-time living. If you're looking to dip your toes into the luxury waters with a premium fifth wheel without breaking the bank, this is a great place to start. Eddie Bauer, 3210 RL.
Quite possibly the best family fifth wheel in 2026 is the Coleman 3000 Loft. This has double lofts in the back, a bath and a half floor plan, theater seats directly across from a TV, and a midship dinette. But the hottest part of this is going to be back in the loft. If you take a look here, Up top are your 2 beds, but by doing that, it gives you so much more space over here for the sofa, but it's actually a day bed, so you can take this off, have additional sleeping, or the kids can sit here, use the projector, and be able to play games or watch TV. It also provides ample storage, and there's a half bath off to the side. In the main area, you have an extremely tall slide, 16 cubic foot fridge freezer, and as I mentioned, you have that reclining seating directly across from your TV. You also see that you have a very stylish dinette with chairs on this side for easy in and out, and then you have this massive countertop, all solid surface, undermount stainless sink with a pull-out faucet, 3-burner cooktop with air fryer, and a ton of storage throughout. The bathroom has an elongated porcelain bowl, big vanity with plenty of countertop space and mirrored medicine cabinet, nice big 14-inch fan, and a 30 by 40-inch shower with plenty of headroom. The bedroom features a king-size bed with storage on both sides, beautiful windshield up front, second AC, and additional wardrobe storage at the foot of the bed. And as we take a look at the outside, not only do we get auto level, there's also going to be TV hookup, composite steps with a tempered glass door, nice big garage bay storage, and it tows great thanks to the Kurt Helix pin box.
22 feet, 10 inches of awesome Class B Ford Transit awesomeness. If you're looking for the day tripper, you want to go to the soccer game, take the kids with you. Maybe it's the concert, maybe it's the tailgate, but you don't need to stay over. Welcome to the 8-seated Freedom Explorer PX10. When you step inside, you'll understand this is the one you need to check out. You need to move some people to the sporting event, the all-day concert series, the kids' games, wherever you want to go. You want to be able to make the snack, have a bathroom, come back and forth, but more importantly, move people in comfort and style. Plush and comfortable leather chairs that also swivel, cup holders with phone holders and USB charging. And I don't know if you can tell it in the video or not, but you also got awesome decorative LED lighting that you can customize to do whatever you want. Awesome storage up top. Entertainment thanks to a 32-inch TV, and yes, the PX10 is also on the Ford Transit, so you got that 3.6-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, you got the Sync 4 command system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Entertainment, style, form, and function. As long as you don't need to stay overnight, the PX10 could be the RV for you, whether it's for your personal, your business. I'm thinking of making this my Uber. So here you go, check it out.
The Walkabout 26 Max is the perfect example of when an outside source makes a big difference. This was made in conjunction with Steve Ranella from Meat Eater, and it is built to be outdoors. But that doesn't mean that it can't be nice inside, and you obviously can see that it is. This is going to be a double over double bunk model. You have a huge slide out with a sunroof across the entire slide so you can see up to the stars. The seating has storage underneath. It's directly across from a TV. You have a ton of countertop space in here with an undermount stainless steel bowl. You have the nice big fridge, storage tucked away in the steps as well as underneath the bunks themselves. And right here in the bathroom is going to be a second entrance, so you're not bringing dirt and mud all the way through your camper. But it doesn't stop there, because the entry into the bedroom has this incredible keystone. You have the orange light, a second AC. You have the big queen bed here with the super thick mattress, storage on both sides. Plus, right over to the side, you have windows in the windshield, and the windows even have a reflective backing to keep the heat outside. Outside, you're getting dual 30-pound propane tanks, reinforced front corners in case you hit a branch, huge pass-through with not only your inverter, but also a place to put fishing rods, upgraded automotive-style exterior. You even have a boot drying rack because, again, this is built to be outdoors. You have your outside clean and cook station. You even have TV prep, incredible suspension, and not only do you have your standard stabilizer jacks, this one also has auto level.
Now we're stepping into some luxury. Welcome to the brand new Keystone, Montana. This is the 3100 RL, highlighted by a king-size suite up front with washer dryer prep, L-shaped solid surface vanity in your bathroom, and a rear living that defines opulence, which is actually where we're going to start. I love what what Montana did with their brand new touches this year, framing everything out with the wood accents around the windows, even the main entry door. You got the frosted glass inlay in your storage cabinets up top. You got the reflective backed shades in your windows. You're going to have an awesome rear living experience thanks to things like the oversized sofa that turns into a sleeper. Look at my entertainment center here with the oversized fireplace, soundbar, huge TV, wood accented paneling, and more storage that you can shake a stick at, including adjustable shelves, subwoofer. Then when we come to cooking, waterfall solid surface countertops, decorative LED sconce, beautiful multi-purpose sink, and my cooking area features a 24-inch oven. You got the 1.3 cubic foot microwave, oversized fridge freezer combo, and just take a look at your pantry, which has the adjustable shelves. But take a look at the convertible office/lovebird dinette. This is what really stood out in my mind. You want to go from working and hanging out, maybe playing games or viewing, to eating for just a couple, or eating for more. Not as wide, but very versatile. Now, when we're talking about the bathroom, I really like what they did this year. They gave you a solid surface vanity, but to give you more countertop space, backlit LED mirror, love that too. They continued the flow right all the way into your decorative shower with the teak seat. And of course, your primary suite, tons of storage, armoire, washer dryer prep, LED lit hanger bar, decorative lights above my king-size bed, and how about 3 windows over here right across from another fireplace, TV entertainment center, as well as storage. This defines glamping in my opinion. But let's see what we got on the outside. Oh yeah, she big. But one of the biggest changes you're gonna see on the outside of the brand new Montanas is of course the beautiful full body paint. But they added a nice little entertainment TV hidden in the storage right here. You got your pass through, but to me one of the best changes are things you might not see. For example, the frame. Bigger, sturdier, larger outriggers this year. You also have some awesome shock absorbers on your axles there. Then to give you even more storage options, they gave you some basement storage in the rear that not only pulls out, but allows you to divide and organize. So in my opinion, Montana never really left, but they're back, baby.
And if you're looking for the ultimate toy hauler, then the Raptor 444 is what you're after. With a 13 6-foot garage, dual patios including one on this side, big L-shaped sofa with the TV, and gorgeous bathroom and bedroom, this thing right here has it all. The back ramp is powered and it doubles as your party space. You have an easy to set up railing system, and then if we take a look up top, you have lights, a backup camera, and a Girard awning, so you can sit out here underneath the shade. Now heading into the garage, you see that you have storage as soon as you enter right here in the beaver tail. You also have tie downs with multiple points all throughout the garage, and it is 13 foot 6 inches, so you can fit most 4-seater side-by-sides. You have the Happy Jack bed system with 2 sofas and the bed up top, an additional loft up here with a TV, and you even get the half bath underneath. And stepping into the kitchen, you have a massive fridge freezer over here. You have a huge workstation all around your sink with storage galore, extra prep station to the side, 4-burner residential cooktop with a massive oven, a microwave right here, and take a look at what you have in these drawers. Not only is there a cutout for easy access, it even has dovetail joinery. Now, if you're in a smaller campsite and you can't go out on the back patio, well, that's where this side power patio comes in. In the living area, you will have your second of 3 ACs in this fifth wheel, this beautiful sectional sofa, windows all over, 50-inch TV, Klipsch soundbar, and a fireplace. Heading up top, we get into the bathroom with your pocket door, big countertop space, beautiful mirror, porcelain foot flush lever toilet, and the one-piece shower surround with the shower tower of power. That. And of course, then we enter into the bedroom with the slide-out king bed, windows on both sides with shelves. At the foot of the bed is a dresser with an additional TV, washer and dryer prep or additional wardrobe space, and a beautiful wardrobe with decorative glass inserts. On the outside, not only do you have your power ramp door, you also have an air compressor as well as a fuel station on the other side. As far as exterior, you have plenty of paint options, Klipsch stereo sound system, triple axle with the MoRide CRE 3000 suspension system, 3 Girard armless awnings with LED lights, Kurt Helix pin box up front, and amazing storage with additional solar and generator prep.
So there you go, 7 RVs that we picked because we thought, they might not be the biggest, the flashiest, but hopefully something that will be right for you.
And if you want to learn any more about the RVs that we filmed today, there will be links in the description with longer walkthroughs and also give you price and availability.
And please, if you found this video helpful, insightful, or you learned anything, give us a like and a subscribe, and we can't wait to see you on the next one.
Thanks for watching.